Every year, millions of aircraft tires begin their journey right here at this facility. Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility. Let's head inside. This floor guides the entire production flow, left to right. Raw materials start on the left, process sequence ensures maximum efficiency. Welcome, let's start with our production flow diagram. It begins with compounding and extrusion, then we move to ply building and vulcanization, finally, inspection, testing, and shipping. Starting the sequence now. Nip gap looks good at 11 millimeters. Adjusting the roller spacing now. Angle confirmed at 32 degrees, splice overlap is within spec. Winding initiated, continuous sheet is stable. Align the chafer strip edge to the mark. No wrinkles. Yes, aligning now. Good. Now wrap the flipper tight around the bead. Wrapping the flipper, check alignment with the rule.
Transfer complete. Position verified. Alignment good. Starting inflation. Initiating second stage shaping. Inflation sequence commencing. Carcass is expanding uniformly. Stitching now. Rollers are securing the belt.
Scan complete. Bead and ply layers are clear. Belt edge shows a minor void. Flagging for review. Initiating scan for internal structure analysis. The bead ring shows precise hexagonal pack of wires. Ply cords have a clear bias angle. Belt width is 12.5 millimeters. All specs verified. The uniformity machine tests the tire under load. The steel wheel rotates the tire, and sensors detect force variations caused by structural inconsistencies. The system Initiating final inspection on aircraft tire. Tread and sidewall surfaces are clear. Inner liner is good, no anomalies. Build records match. Approving for shipment. Size, ply, and load ratings confirmed. Speed rating and serial number match the record. Applying international labels now. Ready for lift? Take it up. Copy that. Lifting now. Steady. Position in the forward cradle. Lowering into position. Final count matches the bill of lading. Secure the doors. Delivery truck arriving at dock. Prepare to unload. First pallet scanned and clear. No damage. Log it. Next one. Careful with those straps, lift it steady. 777's on jacks. Check the main bogies. New tires aligned, ready to lift. Copy, lifting now. Starting the wheel change, loosening the retaining nut. Nut is loose, decompressing the assembly. Carefully rolling the old assembly off. Inspecting the old tire, tagging it for retreading. Connecting to the valve stem. Inflating now with nitrogen. Cross-referencing the spec on the tablet, 210 psi. Verifying with the check gauge. Pressure on this one is good at 180 psi. Tread and sidewalls clear, no FOD. Depth is 4 millimeter within limits. Certificate issued, she's cleared. A commercial aircraft tire begins on this drum, as raw rubber layers are precisely built up. From raw mixing up precision is heat and touchdown, where tires and so extreme flights.